Here we go.
Southern Brooks County in Georgia, Lanier County in Georgia, Lowndes County in Georgia, southeastern Thomas County in Georgia, until 12:45 p.m.
Oh, Charles was hearing this.
Indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Woodfield, St. Marks, Crawfordville, Tallahassee, Wakulla, Greenville. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Valdosta, Lake Park, Whitman, Lakeland, Cape Ray City, I-75, Exit 16, Moody Air Force Base, Remerton, Meigs, Dasher, I-75 at Exit 22, Kingaloo, Valdosta Regional Airport, I-75 at Exit 11, Blue Springs, Clantville, Barracks, Twin Lakes, and I-75 at Exit 5. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Georgia, Brooks, and
Oh shoot, a 4-hour event? I've never gotten one.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for
PP.